In a major revelation, a former police officer has admitted to being part of a phone tapping operation by the Telangana Special Intelligence Bureau during the BRS government. Radhakishan Rao, the former Deputy Commissioner of Police, claimed that several retired police officers, politicians and media personalities were snooped on under the instructions of then Telangana Special Intelligence Bureau head, that is T. Prabhakar Rao. Now, not just this. He also went on to claim that Bharatiya Janata Party's B.L. Santosh was targeted by former Chief Minister KCR so that the BJP would come to him for a compromise and then he would use it as an opportunity to get rid of Enforcement Directorate's case against his daughter K. Kavita. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party is fuming over these stunning revelations. Sample the reactions that have now come in.
सत्यता से काम नहीं करते, जनता की ईमानदारी सेवा नहीं करते, वो इस प्रकार के अपराध, फोन टेपिंग कराना, किसी क्रिमिनल केस में फंसाना, इस प्रकार के काम करते हैं। मुझे बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि आज ये पर्दाफाश हो रहा है और सत्य है कि विपक्ष जो जितना भी है वो सारा का सारा अपनी सत्यता पे, मेहनत और सेवा पे काम नहीं कर रहा, वो लोगों को फंसाकर अपने आप को राजनीति करना चाहता है और ये पर्दाफाश होना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और मुझे लगता है कानून भी उनसे संज्ञान लेगा। जो भी बनता होगा, जो भी होता होगा, वो काम करेगा, लेकिन ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Sir, a top police officer in Telangana has come out and said that he's alleged that Mr. KCR asked to snoop over other people, including political personalities.
Yes, that's what all the time. The dynasty politics, that's what we have been telling time and again, the dynasty politics of BRS, CRS, it's all been the same. Let it be Congress party, it's been the same. They always abuse, misuse power.
Controversial phone tapping case in Telangana where BRS and his family have created a blanket of spy surveillance where politicians, rivals, same party, judges, honorable judges, prominent businessmen and every person considered, especially to KCR and his family, have been surveilled, and that Shri B.L. Santosh ji has to be, I repeat, has to be arrested in order to create massive amounts of pressure on the Bharatiya Janata Party to let go of Kalvakuntla Kavita in the Delhi liquor policy scam. This is the extent of the conspiracy against the Bharatiya Janata Party, KCR's way to threaten and blackmail the Bharatiya Janata Party.
This is nothing new. They have been doing it, they have been trying it. When during UPA, when Home Minister and Finance Minister's office can be bugged, what do you expect them to do when they are in the power in the state? KCR was always allergic to BJP, and he was just following the footsteps of the Congress, what Congress party has done in the past. All these are parts of the same corruption gang.
Now, as per additional SP Bhujanga Rao's statement on this phone tapping case, prominent figures were under surveillance. This included MLC Shambipur Raju, T. Rajaya, BRS leader Kadiyam Srihari of Warangal, Patanam Mahendra Reddy and his wife, who were unhappy with the Tandur MLA, retired IPS officer R.S. Praveen Kumar, and there were many media personalities as well. Now, most of the family members of now Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy were also under the surveillance lens. Now, the Congress party is slamming KCR and they're also calling him a dictator.
See, what happened that he is another dictator. He was, rather I should say. Second term he got through money, muscle and blackmail. And he has not done only with B.L. Santosh, but done it very well against everybody. And all opposition, that is what it, why is being highlighted that he has done against only B.L. Santosh, but entire Congress and all. He has done it, and of course for that he should be penalized. And now there are many, the Prime Minister did it and Home Minister did it.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।